What's up, YouTube? I know a lot of you guys have been doing HD builds. This is one of my oldest probably drones that I got, so I actually just threw a Vista, as you can see, and it's on the Tyro79 on a Cloud 149 frame. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more what I did. All I did was cut off I didn't cut off anything. Soldered up everything to the Vista, as you can see. But one thing that was different than like a regular build that you guys would do, I actually had to solder directly to the battery lead, just on like the bottom board. Other than that, like, you just have to make sure you put it on the right, like put on a Uart, like as I have it on. There's only 2 Uarts on the Tyro79. I don't know if you guys can really see them. I'll just zoom in like a little bit. Alright, but whatever. Yeah, because I'm running a Crossfire Nano. You can't really see it because it's covered by the heat shrink right here. But yeah, running Crossfire that's on my Uart too. So all you have to do is make sure you check off serial RX on your betaflight. Make sure that's checked off. So you have your receiver synced up to your controller. Another thing is with these Vistas, you have to make sure you switch up the RX and TX pads. They are switched. And one thing about the Tyro79 flight controller board, it doesn't really tell you quite everything. It's kind of like vague, but I thought it originally was like, I thought like the TX and RX pads might have been like these little 2 pads, but I don't know, after like a little debating with myself and I guess whatever is online, and actually I had to ask one of my friends to make a hypothetical, make a real life guess, and sure enough, like, soldered up, it worked, you know. How you know when it works is thing that you gotta do with the Vista. This is actually a polar Vista, I forgot to say this, but you have to literally switch the RX and the TX wires on the pad, and when that happens, you know everything's working correctly when you go in on your DJI goggles and you go to arm the quad. You would see your battery voltage in like the lower, like, left hand corner or whatever, or like the middle of the screen almost. And then when you arm it, it would say unlocked. But to do that, you have to make sure you have your MSP configuration checked off on whichever Uart you have the Vista hooked up to, and that's really it. And then you're just good to go. You can fly. More videos coming soon of everything. I'll post I'll put it together and show you guys what the finished product will look like.